empowering.
One word to describe my experience is humbling. I wouldn't have thought I'd be using that word today, but here I am.
One word to describe my experience is like it has been very enriching and enhancing for me.
Refreshing.
One word I would describe my experience would be, I'll say, like, it brings light. If a place is dark, for example, the light just brightens out the place. So that's what I'm going to describe it as.
Life-changing because it was what I needed right now. So yeah, it was just like 2 days, less than 12 hours, and you already have some, just accomplishment about it. So yeah, don't think about it too much and just do it.